Hi and welcome to Simply Tasty for Picky Eaters. I'm Denise, and before we jump in, you'll find all links and all info down below in the show notes. For the next 4 days, I'm sharing a little video series to show you how I prep 4 different snacks, all made from one of my favorite doughs. Today, we're starting with my fresh milled sandwich loaf. I already made a double batch of dough, and now I'm splitting it into half. I use my kitchen scale to split the dough evenly, so both loaves turn out just right. Next, I shape the dough, adding a little surface tension to help it rise nicely. I spray my loaf pans and let the dough rest and rise for about 30 to 40 minutes. Here's a peek at the risen dough, and yes, that's tomorrow's snack right next to it. The bread bakes about 25 minutes and comes out super soft and golden brown. Stick around for the next video tomorrow.